Good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. I'm not sure what all we're going to be doing today. I have a few things that I need to do. I need to run by Sephora and do an exchange. I'll show you what I did. I was in there the other day to pick up some of my Briogeo shampoo, and somehow I ended up with 2 conditioners. Only I could do that. So I have to take this back and exchange it. And I think I'm going to get the kind that I normally use. I was going to change it up a little bit. I got the, I think it's green apple or something like that conditioner, and I love that. And I was going to get the shampoo that went with that. It isn't, I don't think, green apple, but it's a different kind. But I think I'm just going to go back to the one that I really like. I think it's called Repair, Don't Despair, or something like that. But I really like that. And so we have to go do that. And then I have to go check my P.O. box. And other than that, oh, I have to fix our dinner. So I'm going to get ready to start our dinner. It's this really good chicken tortellini, kind of like a soup. It's really good. It makes me salivate just thinking about it. I don't know that it's good. Let me rewind. I don't know that it's good. I'm trying it for the first time. It sounds really good. And I'll show you some of the things I put in that. And I have to make some fudge. So I'm going to do that. I'll probably do those little cooking stuff before I go. And so that right now, that's what I'm up to. It's a very dreary day out here today. It's just really foggy and dreary, and it's poured the rain down. So gray hair day. Okay, I've got to start. Here's the tortellini chicken soup. It seems to be so far very easy to fix. I just put like 4 chicken breasts in there. And then I just added, it calls for, I'll put the recipe in the description box below. And you'll find out if we liked it at the end of this vlog. But it calls for like 1 32-ounce container of chicken broth. So I just had these smaller ones that are 14 ounce. So I put 2 and then some out of the third one. And then 1 28-ounce can of petite diced tomatoes. And it really calls for sausage, but I don't like sausage, so I just use the chicken. And then you just cook it on low for 6 to 8 hours. And I did add mushrooms because we are a fan of mushrooms, and I added onions. It wasn't in that. And then you add 2 cans of tomato soup. So that looks like that will be. And then when you get finished, like the last 30 minutes, I'll show you what you do with it later. But this looks like that will be good. For this chocolate fudge, you just use 2 cups semi-sweet chocolate morsels. So I just got the Tall House, and it smells great. You just dump it in a bowl. This is so easy to make, okay? And then you just put in 1 14-ounce of sweetened condensed milk, which makes everything. Now this is not low test. This is very high test. You can't be faint of heart if you're going to make this. Okay, then all we do is you just keep microwaving it until it's combined. Then all you do is put in, I think it is 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And I'm using the Watkins because one of you told me that this was really good. So I wanted to try it. We were out and I was able to get some. And then the marshmallows. A cup of marshmallows. And then you put in your walnuts. I think I need to melt this a little bit more. I don't think it's quite gooey enough, hot enough. So let me go ahead and heat this back up. But it smells, oh my gosh, so good. Okay, that's better. Now I've melted everything. It's really liquidy. We'll combine this nicely. This smells divine, absolutely divine. Then we're just going to pour in some walnuts. Calls for 1.5 cups, but I don't know, I'm going to put quite that much in there. Probably going to leave it just to whatever you want. And I'll put this in the description box below, the recipe. It's really easy. It's hard to mess up. Okay, we have this mix. Then I have greased an 8x8 pan right here. And then all you do is just pour this in here. This lovely, gooey, wonderful mixture. I wish we had smell-o-vision. It is so good. It sets up pretty quick. And then you just put it in the refrigerator to set up. And I will probably cover it with saran wrap. And this will be our dessert for this evening. So, so good. Highly recommend. So excited. I got a lot of Christmas cards from you all, and after we go to Sephora, we'll go home and we'll take a look at them. I just love hearing from you. Okay, I would have vlogged inside of the mall, but it was crazy. Everybody's in there. But I took it back to Sephora. They were really nice, and I got my Briogeo Don't Despair Repair shampoo. So I have a shampoo and a conditioner now. So they had so many nice things in there. I stopped and looked, but too close to Christmas to buy anything. Okay, so I'm going to head home, I think. Probably so. And we'll see what we can get. I just wanted to show you all these really beautiful Christmas cards that some of you have sent me. It really touches my heart. I love hearing from you all, and we are friends and like family, really. But first one I want to show you. This is just so gorgeous. This is from Linda, and I love it. That represents us, friends. To me it does anyway, but I love it. It is so pretty, and thank you so much. And then this one is from Peggy, and I think that just looks really cold, and you know how I love things to look so cold. I love it. Thank you so much. You are truly are like the dearest friends and family to me. So thank you. And then Noreen sent this one, and I believe she made it. I can't. No, she didn't. She didn't make it. I don't think she made it, but it looks like a handmade card. But that is so pretty. And right there's the reason for the season, and I really do love that. Thank you so much. Then Tamsin, I love the card. It just says, Jesus, God's wonderful promise, and it is so true and so pretty. Thank you so much. And then G, I know you made this. This is so cute. I love the little reindeer with the snowflakes. Thank you so much, and I did get your card. And then this one was very different. This was from Tracy, and it's like a little story in here. It was very interesting reading it. But thank you so much for taking the time to send me these cards. I say this all the time, but I love hearing from you all. I know I'm behind on my comments, and I know you all will understand. It's hectic for all of us right now, and I'm trying to get to as many as I possibly can. Now I have to try to do something with this craft room. It is beyond a mess. It's so hard. I really need a trash can in here, because when I do my Cricut, I just throw stuff over here. Like right here, from where I did those houses, that is still here. I hate to say it, don't judge. So let me try to work on this. Pleased to say that I have a lot of this straightened up. You can actually see back in here again, which it was really full. I mean, I still have a few things here I need to put up, lights, but I have them in a special spot. And you can even see down towards the floor. So accomplished. Okay. Now the last 15 minutes of this chicken tortellini soup, what you do is you add cream cheese. And it calls for 2 of the 8-ounce cream cheeses. Actually called for the whipped chive, but that's kind of strong, so I just put regular, and then I'm putting in about this much of the whipped chive, and you just mix that up. And once that gets mixed up, you put in your tortellini and cook it on high, and shred your chicken too. I missed that one. I didn't shred it good. And it smells really good. My husband was really surprised when he came home. He said, wow, that smells good. So we'll see. I'll get this all mixed up, and then we'll put our tortellini in. And now I'm just going to be adding my cheesed stuffed tortellini. This is 3 cheese. And this smells delicious. And then you just let it cook on high for 15 minutes. So that's what we're going to do, and then take a look at it when we get ready to eat. Okay, it has been heating on high, and I think that it is done. I did add some garlic to that. So let's turn this off and spoon this out. It smells really good. Just look at that. Oh, it looks so good. Okay, this really smells good. Now I'm going to taste it and tell you what I think. You going to taste yours?
Oh, yes, baby. Thank you.
Oh, my gosh. That is good.
That's wonderful.
Do you really like it?
Oh, yeah. Can't wait to finish the rest of it.
I do think it needs a little bit more garlic in it, but... Oh, good.
Not to me. It's perfect.
Really? Okay. On a nice cold day, like we're supposed to get really cold tomorrow, and you make so much, this will be delicious. So we're going to go ahead and eat, and then we're going to see what we can get into.
Sounds like a
Pyrex dishes that are freezer safe to put some of that leftovers in, and then I needed some bigger boxes. Look how cute these boxes are at Walmart. I thought that was precious. And then this is really cute, and they're only $3.47. Okay, well, we went to Walmart, and we picked up some stuff, and now it's supposed to come, what, a really bad storm tonight?
It's supposed to be a bad storm till tomorrow morning.
Okay, so that's what we're up to, but we thought we would definitely try some of this delicious fudge. It was good.
Really good.
It was so creamy. And
lots of nuts.
And it's rich, but it's good. So, we will see you all tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 2. So, so good. Okay, bye.